Hi, this is Dr. Rao from Breast Surgical. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to use the iSearch Science or the medical Google app to retrieve biomedical studies and how to analyze them using ChatGPT. So let's get started. We're going to be searching for sugar baker versus keyhole technique for parastomal hernia repairs. I chose this set of search terms because they produced interesting results on a recent in a recent paper that was published in the Journal of Gastrointestinal Surgery, where the AI basically confabulated studies and showed a list of studies that didn't actually exist. So let's search now. So this is actually searching Google, not ChatGPT. So that's the difference. So here you can see a list of studies being displayed. Our AI automatically adds additional search terms based on the nature of your search. As you can see here, um, uh, it's displaying all the relevant studies now, which are going to be even more relevant after running Jarvis. So the next thing you do is run Jarvis. It's going to take a few seconds. If it's taking a long time and if it's almost done, you can always stop it. I'm actually running this on an iMac. These apps work on both iOS and Mac. Okay. So here it's displaying the relevant results. You can further filter based on the highly relevant results using this. Um, so these are obviously all real studies, and you can actually go to the web page to read those studies. Um, yeah. Some of these functions are very similar to the iSearch Biomed app. For example, advanced sort helps you classify the studies. You can pull out the retrospective studies or or whatever the meta-analysis or whatever. The advanced search is the part of the AI that actually pulls out words or phrases related to procedures or drugs, or it can even identify cases, controls, follow-up time, and all that. Um, so these functions are very similar to the iSearch Biomed app. Summarize all articles and ask Jarvis anything. This is a function of these utilize OpenAI's Chat-GPT. So let me do something here. I'll go here and I'll say combine all studies and tell me which uh, technique is superior, sugar baker or keyhole. And I'm going to send this over. So before sending this over to the AI, you need to make sure to minimize the number of studies that you send over, because the more the number of studies, the more it's going to cost us. Yeah, so here it's displaying all it's basically summarizing each and every study, and also it's providing a summary of all the studies, and it says sugar baker technique may be associated with low rates of recurrence. Yeah, and so we basically break up the input that goes to Jarvis into sections, because you can't send a lot of text even to something that as advanced as OpenAI. We're limited by the number of words that you can send over to the AI. Yeah, I mean this. Yeah, I mean this summary sounds pretty reasonable, and I don't think any of this is made up. Um, yeah, they summarize all articles. It basically provides a summary of all the studies that are shown in the search result here. Um, Advanced search can also be used to sort studies by sample size or follow-up time. So if you click on this, it will show the study with the largest follow-up time in the top. There are some more functions. If you want to pull out similar studies compared to this one, you can just use this function here. Yeah. So these are the some of the features. You have unlimited cloud storage as well. You can basically save the PDFs on the web pages on the cloud. We have two types of subscriptions. One of them includes access to OpenAI and to the sister app, iSearch Biomed. These two apps are kind of complementary to each other. The other one doesn't, and it includes just the text classification and the entity recognition capabilities. Yeah, so let me know how well ChatGPT works out for you through this app, and and of course, whether you're actually getting the result that you would expect. Thank you.